Another major reason, another major enabler, and another push towards getting this plastics back from the environment is come through the Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog has put a material resource efficiency program under which plastic, amongst one of those seven important materials, are required to start getting consumed in a circular manner rather than a linear manner, which is take, make, waste, but in a circular manner, which means reduce, recycle, and then repurpose. And there are 7 R's, but let's talk about only three at this point in time. Important to note is that Ministry of Environment and Forest, along with Niti Aayog, has come into this program called Material Resource Efficiency. They are actually asking at this point in time that big construction projects start consuming recycled plastics. For example, roads should consume recycled plastics in making bitumen roads. It actually lasts longer. And bigger construction projects should have 25% of consumption of plastics in form of recycled plastics. So this is another regulation, which is an important piece of regulation from Ministry of Environment and Forest and Niti Aayog, that is putting those enablers in front of the companies and industries and trying to bind them also with regulations. The second one is around companies themselves taking a very big challenge, especially because of Ellen MacArthur's report in World Environment Day that 2 years ago. That where is this plastic going? And there was a revelation in 2018, and exactly the same time when Pro India was created on World Environment Day, there was World Economic Forum's revelation, which Ellen MacArthur did, where they proved that only 9% of the plastics ever produced has been recycled. So that is one data point, very important data point. The second important data point was that almost 9 billion tons of plastic has already been produced. So now you can understand that how much of plastic is already lying around in this world, how much of it is still there. Uh, and the third and the most important data point was that with this, there is at least $120 billion worth of opportunity in plastics in Europe alone in single year. So we are leaving so much of plastics behind, which has the value of more than $120 billion only in Europe in single year. So there was so much of shock and awe in the report, but the final shock and awe was that if we continue, if uh, us as people in this world continue to do what we are doing and do nothing in terms of plastics, we will actually create an equal amount of plastics as it is the fishes and the aquatic life in the sea. So the sea and the oceans will have as much plastics in 2050 than the quantity which is in the aquatic life. So on kilogram to kilogram basis will match. There'll be so much of plastics which will be littered and which will flow into the sea. This is the greatest shock and awe, and it has shook the world, and it has actually made all the CEOs of the big FMCG, CPG companies stand up and take notice of the same. Once they have taken the notice, they have come to these terms uh, that they want to reduce consumption of plastics, they want to recycle plastics, and they will also would like to use recycled plastics back into their products. So companies have come up with different targets. Some common targets across multiple brands is use of the recycle plastic to the extent of 25 to 50% in replacing the virgin packaging plastics around the world. Companies like Unilever, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, P&G, Nestle, you name it, almost all the big companies have signed that up. They have taken this responsibility to do so. So just the mere 25% of, imagine 500 million tons of plastic which gets produced in a year around the world. And let's say half of it goes into packaging plastics. So 25% of that is going to now not be used as virgin plastics, but is going to be used as a recycled plastic. This is a great boon. This is a great direction. It's a very strategic direction, and one of our industry has to also take notice of that. Be cognizant of the same, and try to start preparing itself to create good quality recycled plastics for such FMCG, CPG companies. We are the ones which are stepping and taking full know of this, and we are one with at Pro India have very strong belief in this, and we are taking disproportionate steps in that direction proactively. This is very important for us to know that there is a recycling industry, and then there's a reason for recycling industry to be there, largely because the consumption from such FMCG companies will require recycled plastics to be used.